London is a city full of iconic landmarks and world-famous attractions. But beyond the well-trodden paths of Buckingham Palace and the Tower of London lies a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll explore 5 of London's best-kept secrets that you won't want to miss. 1. Little Venice. Nestled between Maida Vale and Paddington is a tranquil sanctuary. With its colorful houseboats and charming cafes bordering the banks, this magnificent network of canals feels completely cut off from the hustle and bustle of the city. Whether taking a leisurely stroll or a canal boat ride, Little Venice offers a serene refuge with a touch of romantic allure. Little Venice is a lovely neighborhood in London that provides a calm escape from the bustle of the city with its quaint canals and serene ambiance. Little Venice, which is tucked away at the confluence of the Grand Union and Regent's Canals, is a charming, peaceful place with a row of vibrant houseboats, waterfront cafes, and cozy taverns. Take a leisurely stroll along the paths surrounded by trees, take a picturesque boat ride to Camden Market, or just unwind by the water and watch the narrowboats pass by. This hidden treasure is a must-visit location for both locals and visitors alike, ideal for those seeking to see a different, more laid-back side of London. 2. Leighton House Museum. Originally the home of Victorian artist Frederick Leighton, this museum is a marvel of the union of art and architecture. A must-see is the Arab Hall, which is emphasized by stunning Islamic tiles and an incredibly magnificent gold dome. It's a hidden gem that will appeal to both art and history enthusiasts. Located in the center of Kensington, London, Leighton House Museum is a little-known treasure that gives guests a window into the sumptuous world of Victorian art and design. This historic home museum features a stunning fusion of art and architecture, and it was once the residence of well-known artist Frederick Leighton. The magnificent Arab Hall, which transports visitors to a distant age with its elaborate Islamic tiles and golden dome, is the museum's most notable feature. You will be enthralled by the distinctive combination of Western and Eastern influences as you explore its lavishly furnished rooms brimming with Leighton's masterpieces and personal collection, making Leighton House a must-visit for both history buffs and art aficionados. 3. The 7 Noses of Soho. Unbeknownst to the public, Soho boasts 7 hidden sculptures of noses. These oddball small sculptures, which were made in the 1990s by artist Rick Buckley as a protest against CCTV surveillance, have taken on the role of a kind of scavenger hunt for both locals and visitors. It's thought that seeing all 7 will bring good fortune, making this an interesting and unique way to explore Soho's bustling streets. 4. Postman's Park. A serene, grassy area with a touching detail. The memorial to heroic self-sacrifice, a moving remembrance of common people who gave their lives rescuing others, is located in the park. A peaceful moment of contemplation amid the bustling city is provided by each tile, which narrates a tale of bravery. 5. God's Own Junkyard. With hundreds of contemporary and vintage neon signs, film props, and artworks, this neon wonderland is a visual feast for the eyes. It was made by the late artist Chris Bracey and is a brilliant hidden gem that is ideal for anyone who likes photography or needs a pop of color. So there you have it. 5 hidden gems in London just waiting to be explored. Whether you're a local or a visitor, these spots offer a unique perspective on this incredible city. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more off-the-beaten-path travel tips. See you in the next video.